all, thank you to all of you for joining us today for the Grand MediaCon of Saving Cherry. I know it's a lot of traffic, so thank you for making the effort. Here at Regal, we really wanted to make this movie because one, we wanted to do a comedy that can hopefully make people laugh and laugh a lot with their family and their friends. But at the core of the movie, I think it's something also very real. I've been in the Philippines now 2 years, and just from what I've seen, I don't think it's easy being a woman here in the Philippines. Women have to overcome a lot of different things, and we want to highlight a lot of that and some of those hypocrisies in the movie Saving Cherry, while also making it fun and entertaining without being too preachy. And I think Direct Ivan is the perfect guy to do it. We've been planning this for a couple years, and of course, to Patrick, who helped us finish the script also. It's been a long journey getting to this point. So I just want to thank both of them for getting us this far, and I think we have a really good movie.
Ayun po. Hi, good afternoon po. Thank you very much po for being with us. This movie, this story is very personal and special to me. And I couldn't ask for a better producer, a cast na mabuo itong kwentong pong to. I pitched this story 2 years ago. Even kay Barbie, like 2 years ago. Tapos, it took a while no, before nag-fly talaga. But we're here now and I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. Kasi stories like these are comedies like this, parang it deserves to be in the cinemas, to be watched in the big screen, no? So tulungan niyo po kami na ipagkalat po itong magandang balita po. I promise that you will laugh, you will cry, but at the end of the movie, there's a message na may sinasabi po, and I hope that makuha niyo po yung mensahe na gusto po namin iparating. Maraming salamat po, and let's enjoy po today.
Thank you so much, Sir Keith. And Direk, grabe 2 years in the making po to.
Yes.
Wow, bongga. And finally, it has come to fruition. How do you feel, Direk, about this?
Well, first, grateful. I'm very grateful that nagawa to. I mean, before iniisip ko lang tong kwentong to sa baul ng mga stories ko, no. Tapos biglang all of a sudden nagustuhan siya ng Regal, and then nabigyan siya ng opportunity, and then I think kaya din siguro natagala, we were really looking for the perfect cast na makuha dito, and I'm proud of this cast. Like, I am really proud of this cast. So yun na. Gawin pa rin na ba tayo? But it feels, when we were making it feels very special. The connection that we made during the shoot is something like yun yung lagi kong tinatry i-achieve, no, in my set, na sana nagkaroon ng connection with everybody, and I felt like we were doing something special. Yun, so yun.
Cute. Direk, sabi ni Mikey, iiyak yan. Iiyak na yan. Oh my gosh, I love it. Mamaya, let's see. We are gonna have some tears of joy from Direk Ivan. But I'd also like to hear po from Sir JP and Sir Patrick. I'm sure you guys were a big part din po of the writing process and the development of the story of Saving Cherry. Can you talk to us about yung process po?
Okay, so actually si Direk Ivan pitched this project. Wala pa kami dalawa ni Keith sa Regal. We're both working sa US, siya sa Singapore ako. So tapos finally we came back to the Philippines, we read the first draft of Ivan's script.
So it was really draft 6.
Huwag na natin sabihin ilang drafts. Pero sobrang ganda. Tawa kami ng tawa sa script talaga ni Direk Ivan. So sabi namin, oh my gosh, we have to find the perfect barkada, yung girl barkada dito, and the perfect males, yung male actors who play the roles, ganyan. Tapos noon, we also sought the help of Patrick kasi sabi namin, in the 2 years, kailangan i-update natin yung script, di ba? Parang ang dami na nangyari in the last 2 years. Kaya. And Patrick was also a very talented director, really helped us come together, make the script come together for the cast and for the entire team. Fatic, maybe you want to share more?
Yung napasya ko ni Ivan, nabasa ko yung earlier draft. The script is already funny na. Pumasok lang ako to make it funnier. I always love working with Ivan. We've been working sa Idea First pa ng mga projects and all. And personally, I love comedies. I love films na led by women. So, yeah, go.
Oh my gosh, we're so excited. Grabe, from funny to funnier yung ano natin, Saving Cherry, di ba? So, oo. Tapos with our cast, naging funny, yes. Di ba? We are very, very excited to learn more. And speaking of our cast, syempre, it's now your time to shine. To all of our ladies, okay, ito, and of course, our men, si Khalil and JC, part din kayo dito. Okay, please introduce yourselves, your character, and answer the question, do cheaters deserve a second chance? Yes! Okay, who wants to start things? Boys muna daw. JC and Khalil.
Josh, I'm Josh dito. And surprise yung character ko. Yun yung abangan niyo po.
Surprise talaga.
Hindi ako makapagsalita eh. Gusto ko magsalita ng madami pero abangan na lang po natin yun. Malayo sa mga character ko. Yun po.
Okay, JC, do cheaters deserve a second chance, yes or no?
No.
Oh.
Kasi mauulit yun eh. Magagawa pa rin niya. Kung nagawa niya na nung una, pwedeng maulit-ulit yun.
Okay. From JC Alcantara, no. Okay, ito naman, Khalil Ramos.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Hello! Jerry.
I'm Khalil, and I play the role of Jude here in the film, the cheating husband. Do cheaters deserve a second chance? There's a long answer and there's a short answer. I'll say the short answer. I believe no. Simply because I think it is impossible to restore the relationship after breaking the trust and the respect. Yun lang.
Agree. Thank you so much, Khalil. Okay, from the ladies now. Okay, go Mikey.
Gusto ko mag-last. Ano ba?
Ay, naku, maraming sasabihin yan, Lagor.
Okay. Hi po. Unang-una, I want to say thank you sa ating press for giving the time to come here today. And I'm so excited for you guys to watch the movie. Sa totoo lang. This is my very first. Thank you. Thank you, Sir
Yeah.
Lee. Thank you, Sir Riga. Thank you, Sparkle, for making this happen. I play Beth here. Part ng 1 of 5 ng Barkada. And to answer the question, deserve ba ng mga cheaters ng second chance? Okay. Full transparency. I used to believe na wala naman talaga kasing perfect. So, I used to believe na pwede, okay lang yun. And the important thing is the why. Yung sagot sa kung bakit nagawa. But now I agree with Khalil. No. Because giving a chance to a cheater is not... Yung chance hindi para dun sa cheater eh. Yung compromise, mas nasa'yo. So, yeah. No more! That's the answer. No more.
Palakpakan po natin, Mikey Quintos. Love it, empowered. Yes.
Ako na.
Okay, go Sasa girl.
Kala ko magiging podcast eh. Diyos ko,
Oo,
nakakaloka.
natatrauma siya eh.
Itag nyo na lang ha. Tag nyo na lang.
To be completely transparent.
Hi, my name is Sasa Girl. Sa totoong buhay, mahihain ako. Pero ngayon, I'm playing Marta, ang pinakalutang ninyong tropa. So, to answer the question, do cheaters deserve a second chance? Kung si JC, oo. Ay! Ayun! Napakalutong! Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Diba? Alam mo, ang lala na naging relationship namin. Relationship? Ayun na, nag-iba rin kwento. Hindi, wala lang. I mean, in honesty, hindi talaga. Ayun, it's a no for me. Pero kung si JC nga, ewan ko, mapapaisip ako dyan. Thank you, yun lamang po.
Thank you so much. Sasa girl! Okay, next up, go Mika.
Hello po, magandang hapon po. Ako po si Mika Salamanca and I play the character Jewel. Very sensual. Yun lang po ang aking masasabi muna. Ang sagot ko po sa tanong is no. No talaga. Kasi, ewan ko, pagka kasi nachitan ka na, may lamat na eh. Totoo yung sinabi ni Kuya Khalil, hindi mo na mababalik yung tiwala. And magsasuffer lang yung relationship nyo. So, it's a big no.
Yes, thank you so much, Mika Salamanca. Okay, AC, go.
Good afternoon po. Hello po everybody. I'm AC Bonifacio and I play Ingrid here, your conservative friend who loves to protect you but will also be there for you through all of it. To answer the question, I think it's simple. I think we've all been on the same page, but no, they obviously don't deserve a second chance. But at the same time, why would you even allow yourself to be with a person who could cheat on you? I think it's more of on yourself and like, you deserve another person who could do that to you type of thing. But yeah, yun ba? Okay.
Let's give it up for AC Bonifacio. Thank you so much. And of course, ito na, si Cherry.
Yes,
Go,
Yana.
Barbie.
Thank you. Thank you. Una po sa lahat, ngayon pa lang ay nagpapasalamat na po ako dahil yung mga telepono nyo yan, alam kong mamaya, bukas, ilalabas nyo na yan para tulungan kaming i-promote ang aming pelikula. So, from the bottom of my heart, really, thank you all so much. Your presence is the best present today. Thank you, thank you. I am Barbie Forteza. I play the role of Cherry. Can I say, bakit po Saving Cherry ang title? Okay. Ang role ko po dito, I am the wildest virgin you will ever see. And you will find out why. And do cheaters deserve a second chance? Fuck no. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Barbie Forteza with the F, diba? Wait, but before everything else, we also want to greet Barbie. A happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate!
Salamat po.
Happy birthday, Barbie! We are so happy to celebrate your birthday with you today. Okay, so we're not only celebrating Barbie's birthday,